Sri Saram. In this session, we're going to learn about matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Here, we have two matrices, say A and B, and the matrix A is represented as Aij, and matrix B is represented as Bjk. As you know that I represents a number of rows and J represents number of columns, and as usual J and K. And here these two matrices can be multiplied if the number of columns in matrix A should be equal to the number of rows of the other matrix B. See, here we have one example here. A is equal to Aij, and the order of this matrix is m by n. Number of rows are m and number of columns are n. In other matrix, we have B is equal to Bjk, and the order of this matrix is n by p. Here the number of rows is n and number of columns is p. There are p number of columns and n number of rows, and in this matrix there are m number of rows and n number of columns. And the matrix multiplication is done, and we have to follow the condition that the number of columns of matrix A should be equal to the number of rows in other matrix. Though we multiplying A into B, suppose if you multiply B into A, the same condition we should follow to multiply matrix. And here as we are doing A into B, so from A the number of columns should be equal to number of rows of matrix B. Then we will find the product matrix AB, and that is denoted by another matrix AC, and which is represented as CIK. And the order of this matrix, see the order of this product matrix will be M cross P or M by P. And this is how we can do matrix multiplication. Suppose if say the number of columns of this matrix may not be equal to the number of rows of the matrix B, then we cannot multiply A into B. Here we have one example that matrix A of order 2 by 3 and matrix B of order 3 by 2. As I said, to find A into B, the number of columns of matrix A should be equal to number of rows of matrix B. Then we can find A into B. See, A into B is equal to the matrix A, and here is matrix B. Now how we can do matrix multiplication is here. So this is the first row, understand, and this is the first column. You multiply this corresponding elements of first row to the first column of the other matrix. So like this into this means 3 into 2 plus, anyhow here we have minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So the answer is 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Similarly, other one, see this first row into second column gives this element. Okay. See how that in the same process you can repeat it to find this entry. What you can do here is you multiply first row elements to the second column elements, you will get this value. So here 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1. So what will be the value? So the value will be minus 6, as minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. And similarly, this element can be found as multiply the second row with first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. The answer is 4. Then similarly, we can find this value. Okay, so that can be found in this way. That is, you multiply second row with second column, means minus 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Okay, you will get that value as what? Minus 1 minus 3 is 3 plus 0 plus 2. So the answer is 5. So this entry is 5. This is how we can do matrix multiplication, and the product matrix is 14 minus 6 4 5, which is equal to AB, that is A into B. Yes, non-commutativity of multiplication of matrices. If AB and BA both are defined, is it not necessary that AB is equal to BA? It may be non-commutativity, understand? So here we have an example here, and we found that the what is AB in the last slide. You can see the product of these two matrices, that is A into B, is what is A into B, that is minus 14 minus 6 4 and 5. And here there are two matrices they have given, and we can find AB, but it may not equal to what is B into A. What is order of matrix B is, suppose if you wanted to find B into A, so matrix BA is 2 minus 3 1 0 3 1. The order of this matrix is 3 by 2, and other one is 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. The order of this matrix is 2 into 3. As I told you that the number of columns is equal to the number of rows in the other matrix, then you can find BA. But it means that the values of B, the entries of the matrix BA, which is different from the entries of the matrix AB. So this does not mean that AB is not equal to BA for every pair of matrices A and B, which AB and B are defined. For instance, but as I told you, AB is equal to BA for some particular matrix, that is for diagonal matrix it holds true, that is AB is equal to BA, as I have here example that A is equal to 1 0 0 2, which is a diagonal matrix, as diagonal elements are non-zeros, and we have B matrix, B is 3 0 0 4, which is also a diagonal matrix. And what is AB? So AB is 1 into 3, 0 into 0. The first value is 3, and another one, see, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 4 is 0, that value will become 0. And here 0 into 3 is 0, 2 into 0 is also 0, and next is this value we need to find. 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 0 will be 0, and this value how can you find? 0 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 4 will be 8. Okay, and BA also, which is equal, see, B into A. So this is AB now. Similarly, you find BA. So what is BA? B is 3004 and A is 1002. So you find the product matrix BA. So that is 3 into 1 is 3, 0 into 0 becomes 0, the value will be 3. 3 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, and 0 into 1 is 0 plus 4 into 0 is 0, and 0 into 0 is 0 plus 4 into 2 is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8. Look at the both product matrices are equal here. See, 3 is equal to 3, the corresponding elements are equal here, 0 is equal to 0, 0 equal to 0, and 8 is equal to 8. So therefore BA is equal to AB, understand? So the matrices multiplication is commutative for diagonal matrices. Zero matrix has a product of two non-zero matrices. So here when you multiply two matrices, you will get the product matrix as what? Zero matrix. And here we have example 0 minus 1 0 2 and 3 5 0 0. So when you multiply this, A into B, 0 into 3 is 0 plus minus 1 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, to find this one, 0 into 5 is 0 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0. So this entry is 0. Similarly, 0 into 3 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Similarly, 0 into 5, 2 into 0, so 0. So the product matrix is what? 0 matrix. Now let us see what properties of matrix multiplication. The associative law for three matrices A, B, C, and here A into BC is equal to AB into C. Both sides of equality should be defined. That means what? The order should be defined. Okay, the both sides the order should be same. ABC, the order should be equal to AB of C. Otherwise, associativity may not be obeyed. The distributive law for the matrices A, B and C, here A into B plus C is equal to, you just multiply A to this, A into B plus A into C. And another one is A plus B into C is equal to A into C plus B into C. Hence here again the equality on both sides should be defined. Next, existence of multiplicative identity. For every square matrix A is a square matrix here, and there exists a identity matrix of same order, such that if say for example A is a square matrix of order 3 and I should be also a square matrix of order 3, then the existence of multiplicative identity we can define. See, for instance, here I have taken one example. A is a square matrix of order 2, and in the way there exists an identity matrix of order 2. Both the orders of A and I should be equal, and if I take I into A is equal to A into I, which is equal to what? 1 minus 2, 0, 2. So you can multiply 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0, which is 1, and for this also 1 into 1, 1, or minus 2 into 0, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So here 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 0 into 2 is 0, minus 2 plus 0, which is minus 2. Similarly, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Both ways we are getting the same thing, like I into A is equal to A into I, which is equal to the product matrix. That means what? We can say here I is the identity multiplicative identity matrix for any square matrix. Understand? See, I'll repeat. For every square matrix A, then there exists identity matrix of the same order. For any square matrix you may take, there exists an identity matrix of the same order, and you'll and we can here we can say I being identity matrix. See here we have we will start exercise 3.2, and in the example they have given A and B, and here we need to find its product AB. So let us find that A into B is equal to, what is A? 2 4 3 2, and what is B? 1 3 minus 2 5. See, while we doing matrix multiplication, one thing we should observe that the number of columns of the matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the other matrix. Here the order is same, so you can easily multiply, and this is equal to, see, 2 into 1 2 plus 4 into minus 2, that is 4 into minus 2, and here 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. Next 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Next 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So tell me the product matrix here, that is 2 minus 8 and here 6 plus 4 5 and here 3 minus 4 9 plus 10. So the product matrix is 2 minus 8 is minus 6, 6 plus 20, 3 minus 4, 9 plus 10. This is the product matrix. This is how we can do the multiplication of two matrices. Next example. Compute the product of 1 2 3 and 2 3 4. See, before we do multiplication of two matrices, what we have to observe is we have to observe the order. What is the order of this? Number of rows 1 2 3. There are three number of rows and there is only one column, and here there is only one row but there are three columns 1 2 and 3. See, we are finding this into that. So number of columns should be equal to the number of rows. The number of rows are here is 1. So then the order of the product matrix will be this 3 by 3. Understand? So let us do that. So let us consider the given 1 2 3. Before that I will consider the product matrix will be some let us take the given matrix as A is 1 2 3 and matrix B is 2 3 4. Now I am going to take another matrix C, which is nothing but the product matrix AB, which is equal to 1 2 3 and this is 2 3 4. So find out the product matrix. So now first row into first column, that is 1 into 2 is 2. Next first row into second column, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4. Next second row first column, that is 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 3 is a 6, 2 4 is a 8 and here 3 2 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12. See, this is the product matrix C. This is a product of A into B. Compute the product of the given matrices here 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1 and 1 0 1 minus 1 2 1. Here, what is the order of this matrix is 3 cross 2 and the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. To find this product matrix, we should know that the number of columns should be equal to number of rows. 2 is equal to 2, right? So now the product matrix will be what? 3 by 3. So let us matrix A as 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1 and matrix B as 1 0 1 minus 1 2 1. So find A into B is nothing but the given. What is A? 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1 into so this is equal to. So you do the same thing 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Next 2 into 0 plus 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Okay. 3 into 1, 2 into minus 1, 3 into 0, 2 into 2, Next 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into 1. So this one, third row into first column, third row into second column, third row into third column. In that way we have to do. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 0, plus 1 into 2, next minus 1 into 1, plus 1 into 1. So what will be the product matrix is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. So this is the product matrix. Okay. Another example here, f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. And here, so let us prove that the given, here we know f of x and we should write f of y. What is f of y? F of y will be, see, here they have given f of x, here x is the variable, okay, and the matrix will be in terms of x only, okay, the variables in the elements of the matrix is x, the variable c x is there. So now to write f of y, you just replace the x as y on left hand side. Similarly, you replace x as y. It become cos y minus sin y 0. Sin x becomes sin y and cos x becomes cos y as 0, 0, 0, 1. This is what? F of y. Now, let us find what is f of x into f of y. This is equal to, f of x is given, which is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into f of y is cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you multiply this. This is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. Next, first row into second column, that is minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y, cos into 0 plus minus sin x into 0, 0 into 1. So the entry becomes 0. Similarly, second row into first column, that is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. And next one is second row second column, that is minus sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y, 0 plus 0 plus 0. And third row into first column, 0 plus 0 plus 0. So the 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. This is equal to, so you know the basic formulas, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. This is nothing but cos of x plus y. Okay. And here if I take minus out, then I will have sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, like standard formula, which is minus of sin of x plus y and other one is 0. And here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is sin of x plus y. And the next entry here is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, which is nothing but cos of x plus y. So other entry is 0. So 0, 0, 1. So this is f of x into f of y is cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y, and this is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y is nothing but cos of x plus y, and this element is 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay. So let us find RHS. This is LHS, f of x into f of y. Let us find what is RHS. So here f of x is we know that, which is given. Let us replace x as x plus y on LHS. Same thing you do on RHS also. This is RHS. Say cos of x plus y, as I am replacing x as x plus y on both sides, and this becomes sin of x plus y, and here there is no x or y, you just keep as the same element, and here sin x is there, so in place of x I will put x plus y, and in place of cos x I will write x plus y, and this element is 0, 0, 0, 1. So you look at the, say, you can call it as equation 2 and you can call it as equation 1. Say the product f of x into f of y, which is nothing but cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y. See, this matrix f of x into f of y is equal to the matrix f of x plus y. So you can equate the corresponding elements of the two matrices in equation 1 and equation 2. So all the elements are equal. Hence we can say that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Hence we got the proof. Okay. So here we have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. So let us find this, and here you should know that A is a given matrix and A square is a product A into A, and I is there, that means the identity matrix of same order. Same order means whatever the order of matrix A. What is the matrix order of matrix A here? 3, and you have to take I as identity matrix of order 3. So let us find A into A here. A into A is A square. This is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0 into 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, this is a square. So let us find this. What is that? 2 into 2, 4. First row, first column, 0 plus 1. Next, 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Next, 1 into minus 1. That is minus 1. Okay. 2 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Similarly, 2 into 1 is 2, 0 into 3 plus 0 into 3 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. Okay. Next, second row into first column, second row into second column, second row into third column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Next, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next, 2 into 1, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3, 3 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Understand? 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Next, 1 into 2 is 2 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Next, 1 into 0 is 0 plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 is 0. Next, 1 into 1 is 1 plus minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 0 into 0 is 0. So, what is the product matrix is 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 1, 2, 6 plus 3, 1 minus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now we got a square. Now let us find a square minus 5 times a plus 6i is equal to a square is 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5a. 5a means you multiply 5 to the matrix A. So, I will take it directly. So, that is 5 into 2, 5 into 0, 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 1, 5 into 3, 5 into 1, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 0 plus 6i. 6i in the sense, so I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 6i will be what? 6 6 6. Okay, 6i will be 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So now what is the 5 minus 10 minus 5 plus 6 1. Next, minus 1 minus 0 plus 0 which is minus 1. Next, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Next, 9 minus 10 is minus 1. 2 minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 plus 6. Okay. So, 5 minus 15 is minus 10 plus 0. Minus 10 plus 0 is minus 10. 0 minus 5 is minus 5 and plus 5. Minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Plus 4 plus 0 is 4. Minus 2, 0. Okay. Minus 2 plus minus 0 is minus 2. Plus 6 is plus 4. So, this is a product matrix. This is a matrix. This is a matrix of a square minus 5a plus 6i. Thank you. Sairam.